Hello farmers, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you running out of fish feed? Keep calm. Your fish are not losing weight within these very few days. So in this very video, I will tell you how many days your fish will lose weight and how they will gradually lose weight and how they can survive for the very few days that you don't have feed available, especially for all our fish farmers that are using local. If your fish is matured and you are using local for them, you know this period now they will be sharing time for each and every one of us that is doing feed, local feed in all this feed me. You know, there are lots of people that may be wanting to do feed in one way or the other. And also in this video, I will tell you the strategy you can use to get your fish so that you don't run out of feed. The reason why people are not getting feed on time is due to this rain. We are in rainy season, and most of these people, most of our feed mill are not using the electric. I've seen most they have, but they are not that using it. They prefer drying it inside the sun. So that is the reason why they are not releasing feed for people on time. So they will have to manage it for everyone. Even if you want to do 1 ton, 2 ton, they can't do it for you alone in a day. If you are lucky enough, they may do like 300 kg for you, 200 kg for you, and do it in the next 2 days so that they can slot other people work too between the one they have. Now, before we go into the content, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new here and hit the notification bell to get notified when next we drop a new content for you. It will actually take your fish 3 days before they start losing weight if they don't have feed. Either you're using the imported or you are using the local. But the aspect of imported is better than that of local. The reason is because imported, you know, they are young fish, so the fat will still be in their body because they are eating a very good feed. Although I'm not saying local is not good, like I always tell you, local is a very good feed if you make your own formula in a very good way. If you have a very good formula and you are giving them a very good formula, your fish are going to do well. So when you are feeding your fish and you run out of feed due to the condition I stated earlier, maybe they couldn't meet up with the date you give them to do your feed for you, or maybe there is no sunlight to do your feed, or any other thing that might happen. Maybe their engine have fault in the industry and they couldn't meet up with your required date and you run out of feed. Don't worry, at least it will take your fish up to 3 days before they start losing weight. So the very first day they won't feel it much. The very second day, if they are getting hungry, they will try to go on the ground and check on the feces, their poo, the one they have already vomited or the one they poo or any other thing. That is why I advise people about the eating pond. So there might be some other thing like organisms inside the water, possibly, that they can still eat, and also they can still take their feces back and eat it, and some can still even feed on the mud and still pull it out. So it happens like this at times when they are hungry. Remember I told you the very first day they are not going to feel it very well because they just finished eating that very first day. So the second day, that is when they are going to feel it. Don't mind the disturbance, it's a fresh breeze and it's about to rain, but I just have to quickly make this video for you because it has been 3 days that I dropped video for you farmers. On the third day, that is when the reduction of weight will start, but it won't just start and drop drastically. No, it will be dropping little by little. It is when you keep on starving them continuously, that is when the weight will now drop drastically. And when the weight affects them, do you know how it starts? Their body will be getting longer and they will be getting leaner and their head will be big. That is how it will affect them. How many days will your fish pick up if they eventually lose weight? It will actually take them up to 3 days too. And to tell the fact, they are not going to pick up immediately. And if your fish lose weight, it is very, very bad because it will take them a lot of time to get back to their normal position. And no matter how you try, don't let me deceive you, you can't compare it to a fish that has never been starved before. The starvation, like a little hunger that they pass through within that very short days that they couldn't eat, it will affect them. It is something that retards their growth, so it will affect them, but they will still pick up and do very well. It's just as simple as, instead of you getting 100% of their end result, and you end up getting something like 90-95% of their end result. So it is not bad. But that is when you overstarve them. But starving them between 2 to 3 days will not affect your fish. So don't worry if you are out of feed. Now, how can you meet up with a given date, or how can you do that you won't get out of feed? Assuming you are using local feed, all of us know we are into this business for a very long time. For those who are using imported feed at hand, this is what you are going to do. First of all, before your feed finish, you try to book for another. After you book for another, you bring them to your farm, then you keep them. About local too, the simple thing you are going to do, because you are not the only one they will answer in the industry. So before your feed finish, maybe you have like 100 kilos and you are already in your 80 kilos, you have used 20 kilos out of it to feed your fish, and you are having something like 80 kilos. Quickly go to the feed mill, tell them you are running out of food, they should book you for a day. So after they book you, you try to gather your item. If you supply them, to tell you the truth, it is better for you to supply the feed mill than to buy item with them. Go to where they sell all these items. Is that you are using GNC, you are using PKC, whatever you are using, either it is soya, whatever you are using, just try to get it yourself and supply it. But if you don't know where to get it, actually, if you are within Ibadan or in a place that is not far away, I can still supply you all these things, but you have to need them in a very large number, like getting up to 300, 400, 500 and more than kilos of the items you want to buy. Your GNC, your maize, your gari, your soya and other things, I can still supply it too. After you buy all these things, then you take it to the feed mill, you give it to them, so they will have you in mind. Before you run out of feed, they would have finished the other one, then you go there, you take it and add it up. That is the simplest way to meet up with your feeding date, so that you don't run out of feed. That is all about today's content. So don't forget, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.